Hi there. Let me take a few minutes and complete example 2 with you regarding how to write about a situation where we believe a sample is biased. So in this example, the WHS administration is interested in determining the percentage of WHS students that would support allowing seniors to leave campus during lunch. A table is set up at lunch. Interested students that approach the table are included in the sample. So explain why this sample is biased. Describe that direction of the bias. So we want to include the pieces that we include in example 1. So the population of interest, we are looking at WHS students. So why is this likely to be biased? Well, this sample is not a random sample of the overall population. Rather, this is a voluntary response sample. It's the students that approach the table that will be included in the sample. So what's the value we're trying to estimate? It's this percentage, the percentage that would support allowing seniors to leave campus. So I would offer that the direction of this bias, we're probably going to overestimate the true percentage of students that support allowing seniors to leave campus. If you consider the ones that responding to the voluntary response sample will be the ones that feel the strongest, my guess is those that feel the strongest are going to want to say that the seniors should be allowed to leave campus during lunch. So to write a complete answer, I would first want to explain why this sample is likely to be biased. Well, this sample is not a random sample of the overall population, so it can't really be representative of that overall population. This isn't a random sample of the population. It's a voluntary response sample. And again, I would offer the direction of this bias will be an overestimation of the true percentage that would support allowing seniors to leave. I would suspect that since stronger opinions will be included in a voluntary response sample, those opinions will tend to overestimate the support for allowing seniors to leave campus. So this will likely overestimate the percentage of students who support allowing seniors to leave campus. And again, I would offer that because that's likely to be the most extreme value that students will be wanting to share as part of the voluntary response sample. That's probably what people would feel most strongly about. This will likely overestimate the percentage of students who support allowing seniors to leave campus, since this is the opinion that students may feel most strongly about representing or volunteering to the person taking the sample. Since this is the opinion, students may feel strongly about sharing. There we go. So again, just to re-emphasize what's going on here, if we believe that the sample is biased, we need to explain why it is unlikely to represent the overall population. So we need to describe a direction for that bias, and then we need to justify that bias. So this isn't a random sample from the population, it's a voluntary response sample. So there's my direction there. We're likely to overestimate the percentage of students who support allowing seniors to leave campus, since this is the opinion students may feel strongly about sharing, and it's those strong opinions that are the ones that tend to appear in a voluntary response sample. Hope this has been helpful.